G'day, this is Dave Boyle, and this video covers the .NET Framework installation for VisualWEAVE. When you go to install VisualWEAVE, you may be prompted to install the .NET Framework. When this happens, the best method is to search for the .NET Framework 2.0.5 and then download that from the Microsoft website. So here I'm showing the search, and I'll include the details in the comments below. Once you reach the Microsoft website, you click on the appropriate link. And when you do that, it takes you to a further page, and you click on the red download button. This starts a download onto your machine. And then once that is on your machine, you click on the download and choose to download and install this feature. I've sped up this process. It took about 3 minutes to install on my machine. Once the installation is complete, you'll find that a success message is given. You can close that, you can close the web browser, and the next time you try to install the VisualWEAVE software, it should proceed smoothly.